In the previous videos of interior about the earth, we have gone through the different sources of information. These sources are direct as well as indirect. Today we are going to learn about one of the important source of information, that is volcano. Volcano, as we know, is a place where gas, ashes and large amount of molten magma in the form of lava escape to the ground. This volcano on earth is a vent or a fissure in the planet crust through which lava, ash, rock, and gas erupt to the surface. A volcano is also a mountain formed by the accumulation of all these material which erupted during the volcano. A volcano is a rupture in the crust of planetary mass object that allow hot lava with gas and ash from the magma chamber. This way, in the previous video, I explained to you that the earth interior is in the layered form. Upper portion is crust, below to that there is a mantle, right? And this crust is in solid form, and due to increase in temperature with increase in depth, this mantle cannot stay in solid form. The material exists here are in liquid form, and whenever this magma, the mantle which is known as magma chamber, when this get some place through which the whole material find the way to the surface and reaches over here and form different type of landforms, and the material that reaches the ground includes all type of lava, pyroclastic debris, volcanic ash, dust, gases such as nitrogen compound, sulfur compound, and chlorine, hydrogen, and organic material, etc. In volcano, vent is an important feature. This is a place in a volcano on earth through a vent or fissure in the crust through which lava, rock, and gas erupt to the surface. And there are many types of lava, many types of volcanoes. The types of volcano can be classified on the different bases. Very first, this is on the basis of frequency. Volcanoes can be active, dead, dormant. Active volcanoes are those which are frequently occurring, continue erupting lava to the surface. Dead volcanoes are those which were active ever, but now they are extinct. They are not erupted for a long time. And there is a third category, dormant volcano. Dormant is considered dead, but according to seismologist, dormant type of volcano can be active anytime. There is a very thin difference between dead volcano and dormant. In dead volcano, there is no possibility of eruption ever in the future. But dormant volcano have not been active for a long time, but can be erupted in future ever. These are on the other hand, on the basis of nature of eruption and the form developed at the surface. Volcanoes can be of different type. Very first, shield volcanoes. Shield volcanoes, you can see here on page number, this is page number 26. This is shield volcano, right? You can see the feature how this is appearing. There is a place from where volcano occur, right? And this has been spread in a large area. This you can see here, thus this is one of the largest form of volcano where lava are ejected from a single vent. There is a single vent here. The lava cools rapidly in these shield type of volcano, because in shield volcano lava spread in a large area, and when the lava falls as a cinder that built up around the vent, right? So these are such type of volcano which are spread in large area. And a cinder cone volcano are the most common of volcano, and are the symmetrical cone shaped volcanoes we typically think of. They may occur as a single volcano or as a secondary volcano known as parasitic cones on the sides of stratovolcanoes or shield volcanoes. Next type of volcanoes are composite volcanoes. Composite volcanoes, these are characterized by eruption of cooler and more viscous lavas than the basalt. These volcanoes are the result of explosive eruption. The material accumulate in the vicinity of vent opening is heading to the formation of lower layers, and this make the mounts appear as composite volcanoes. In the composite volcano, these are the result of explosive eruption. These are one of the most explosive form of volcano as compared to the shield volcano. Uh, in this type of volcano, along with lava, large quantity of pyroclastic material, ashes come out from the mantle and reach to the ground. This material accumulate in the vicinity of vent opening, leading to the formation of layers which I have explained to you, right? And another type of volcanoes are caldera. Caldera are the most explosive of earth volcanoes. These volcanoes are so explosive that when magma erupt, they tend to collapse on themselves. The collapsed depression are called caldera. For example, Mount Lau of Indonesia. A caldera is a bowl-shaped depression formed when a volcano collapses into a void left when its magma chamber is emptied. This is the result of a stratovolcano collapsing into its magma chamber during the violent eruption. There are many type of caldera are found, like Yellowstone caldera in USA is one of the example of this, right? Another type of volcano is the lava basaltic provinces. This is one of the most popular volcano, and economically this type of volcano are very important because these volcano help the mineral which are available in the inside of earth, they come out with the help of this lava. When lava is highly fluid, they spread and flow for a long distance and cover 1,000 square kilometer of area. Example is Deccan Trap of our country. If you have seen the Deccan Plateau region, this has been spread in a large area which is made up of lava basaltic rock, and is an important source of minerals in our country. Another example of volcanoes are mid-oceanic volcanoes. Generally, mid-oceanic ridge is a seafloor mountain system formed by the plate tectonic. This feature is where sea flow is spreading takes place along a divergent plate boundary, and over the divergent plate boundary, these magma get enough place to come out, and these volcanoes occur over the oceanic areas basically, and the central portion of ridge experiences frequent eruption. So these are the different forms of volcanoes, and volcano have different importance for human being, and different type of landform have been formed. This all will discuss in next session. Thank you.